have snow down at the homestead. This is the first time the chickens and ducks have witnessed snow. This is a rare occasion in Georgia, so it's always a whimsical vibe when it snows. It is all bundled up, as you can see, and the Silkies are the only chickens out right now eating their food. The rest of those jokers are in the coops. They said nope, and there goes Daddy. He says I done had enough. I'm ready to go back in the inside. As y'all can see, the duck shed door is open, but you don't see no duck in sight. They haven't left out of there yet. And usually they can't wait until I open the door for them to run out. Let's go over there and see if we can coach them out. I'm trying to tell them to come on, and they just like, nope, we don't trust it. No, I don't care what you say. We are not coming out. We're going to stay right here in this little corner. I don't trust it. Look at them. After I seen they wasn't coming out, I just kept the door open. So if they got brave enough, they could come out. And eventually they did come out. I seen them, I peeked out the window and seen them running, well, walking in the snow. And then they went right back into the duck shed.